Hello everyone, I'm Sonam Sandhu from PTE Made Easy. And in this session, we are going to focus on task 4 of PTE Speaking module. So, in the task 4, we have Retell Lecture. And this is actually an integrated task in which you get the scores not only for speaking but also for listening module. Here, you simply need to focus on the image first, then on the audio, and later on, you have to speak it up. There is the right strategy of attempting this particular task, and if we do not follow that, we'll not be able to do it this effectively. So, guys, try to understand one thing. PT आसान है. You just have to follow the right strategies for a good score. Let's get started. Here we have Retell Lecture templates. So when we look at the first question, we can see the image here. So we simply need to look at the image first in order to know what exactly is going to come up in the audio. So by analyzing the image, I can easily understand that in the audio they are going to talk about some classroom or some educational institution. Here, a child is sitting and it seems either he is bored or he is feeling tired. Either of two things are happening here. So now, what exactly we are going to do here? We'll simply listen to the task. Okay, and during the time we are listening to the audio, we'll simply note down the main points. As in, listen to the audio and simultaneously prepare notes so that you can speak on the same for 30 to 40 seconds. Let me tell you what exactly do we need to follow here. We'll actually follow LWS strategy. The way we follow LMS for repeat sentence, that is listen, memorize and speak, that is for repeat sentence. Similarly, here we follow LWS. We firstly will listen to the audio. After listening to the audio, during the time audio is getting played, we'll simply prepare notes, that too in the form of flowchart. And at the end, we'll speak it. The audio will be played for 90 seconds, but we have to speak only for 40 seconds or somewhere between 35 to 40 seconds. If we do not prepare notes properly, we'll not be able to speak properly. Okay? So, what exactly do we need to do in order to prepare notes? In the PTE exam, you get a transparent laminated sheet. You simply will use the marker to write on that and wipe it and rewrite. This is a very good thing, I believe, as compared to like we are not wasting paper at the end of the day. We are using the same sheet again and again. But it is plastic, so that's something I'm not too sure of. Okay. So here I would like to just mention one thing. We have this transparent plastic sheet where we'll be writing with the help of the marker. So as in that sheet will be used to prepare notes. Let's proceed further. How will we prepare notes? We'll prepare notes with the help of flowchart method. Whatever they are going to say, we'll write down only the important keywords or the important pointers, preferably the content words, noun, verb, or some adjective. Now let us listen to the audio.
In a learning environment, a common cause of boredom is lack of understanding. For instance, if one is not following or connecting to the material in a class or lecture, it will usually seem boring. However, the opposite can also be true. Something that is too easily understood, simple or transparent, can also be boring. Boredom is often inversely related to learning, and in school it may be a sign that a student is not challenged enough, or too challenged. An activity that is predictable to the students is likely to bore them. Boredom has been studied as being related to drug abuse among teens. Boredom has been proposed as a cause of pathological gambling behavior. A study found results consistent with the hypothesis that pathological gamblers seek stimulation to avoid states of boredom and depression. It has been suggested that boredom has an evolutionary basis that encourages humans to seek out new challenges. It may influence human learning and ingenuity. Some recent studies have suggested that boredom may have some positive effects. A low stimulus environment may lead to increased creativity.
So, guys, during the time audio was getting played, I was simply writing down few points. So, I wrote learning environment, then I wrote common cause of boredom. Afterwards, I wrote lack of understanding. If something is too easily understood, can also be boring. If something is too difficult to understand, it can also be boring. Okay. Then I wrote the negative impacts or the adverse effects of this is drug abuse and gambling. Positive effects can be increased creativity. So now I have just written down the pointers. How can I speak it up? Here we can simply use a strict template to speak for somewhere around 30 to 40 seconds. So we can simply say the lecturer explicates the causes and effects of boredom in educational environment. What did the lecturer do here? So the lecturer was explaining us, explicate. Okay, so the lecturer explicates the causes and effects of boredom in educational environment, okay, or boredom in the educational environment. The underlying reason behind boredom is difficulty in comprehending. Sometimes a thing that's too easy to understand can be boring. So what is it? The underlying reason behind boredom is difficulty in comprehending. Sometimes a thing that's too easy to understand can also be boring. So here we have clearly mentioned the second point. Later on, we have the impact of boredom can be gambling and drug abuse. So here we are talking about adverse effects, and the impact of boredom can be gambling and drug abuse. Okay, so impact kya hai? Gambling and drug abuse. However, increased creativity is the positive outcome of this. This is what they talked about. So we have clearly mentioned, even if we look at the transcript, we have mentioned the common cause. ठीक है, that is lack of understanding. For example, if a text is too easy to understand, can be boring. On the other hand, if that's too difficult to comprehend, can also be considered boring. Later on, we can easily talk about the negative impacts. Negative impacts are gambling, and we can talk about drug abuse here. And positive may increase creativity. Okay, so simply ऐसे ही आंसर करना है. You can answer somewhat like this as well. The lecturer talks about boredom in educational environments, its causes and effects. She thinks boredom can be experienced if a student finds a class too easy or too difficult. Boredom has been found as the reason behind gambling and drug abuse, as bored humans want to experience new challenges. However, boredom can also have some positive effects such as increased creativity. So, let us listen to this part.
The lecturer talks about boredom in educational environments, its causes, and effects. She thinks boredom can be experienced if a student finds a class too easy or too difficult. Boredom has been found as the reason behind gambling and drug abuse, as bored humans want to experience new challenges. However, boredom also has some positive effects such as increased creativity.
So simply we have to use this method, and the method is LWS. Listen to the same, but before listening, look at the image. After looking at the image, you will get to know what the audio will be all about. Listen to it carefully. When you are listening to it, while you are listening, simply write notes in form of flow chart. Later on, speak for somewhere between 30 to 40 seconds. You need not to give every information, you just need to summarize it and share the same in 30 to 40 seconds. So this is all about PTE Retell Lectures. If you want me to upload a video related to Retell Lectures, again, if you want me to share a lot of content related to Retell Lecture templates, do let me know in the comment section. And yes, PT आसान है. You just need to follow the right strategies. Don't forget it. Thank you so much for joining me today.